Here guys, we have 12 minus 12 divided by 12 times 2 squared. 12 minus 12 divided by 12 equals 1 times 2 squared, right? Now 12 minus 1 equals 11 and times 2 squared. Now 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? So 11 times 4. Now 11 times 4 equals 44. But this is not correct. Why? Because exponent first, then multiplication, then subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So exponent first, then multiplication from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So now let's solve this again. 12 minus 12 divided by 12 equals 1, right? But exponent first times 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? So here is 4. Now multiplication division from left to right. So 12 minus 12 divided by 12 equals 1 times 4, right? Now multiply first. 12 minus 1 times 4 equals 4, and 12 minus 4 equals 8.